I feel ungrounded and out of balance. I feel disconnected from my body and the earth. I feel unstable and unsafe. I feel like I don't belong anywhere. I feel disconnected from myself. I feel disconnected from my environment. And it's really hard to live this way. Even though I can't seem to find stability right now, I accept this is where I am. And I trust in my ability to ground myself. I trust that by showing up for myself right here, right now, I'm slowly feeling rooted within myself and my surroundings. In this moment, I choose to focus on my breath. And I choose to gently connect with my body. Even though I feel anxious and worried. In this moment, I choose to release my fears to the universe. I don't need to have everything figured out right now. So even though I feel disconnected and alone, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I'm letting go of any remaining fears and doubts in this moment. And I'm learning to feel centered, grounded, and balanced.